Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Piano Mini Course, the introduction to the Piano Mini Course. Here, Cody Wyman, your instructor. In this video we are going to be going over the white and the black notes. On the screen you see a claviatura keyboard that has, similar to a real piano, what it would look like. I will be going over what some of the characteristics of each, the white notes and the black notes, and then I will actually cut to another screen and show you the actual keyboard, how it would actually look. So, for instance, starters, we are going to talk about the white. The white notes. So what I just played is called a pentascale, and we'll go over tetrascales and pentascales in a few lectures. But all of these are natural notes, meaning there is no alteration, there's no accidental to them. All the black notes it's basically all of these notes taken up a half step and given sharps. These are what are called accidentals. Going up is sharp, so going up would all be sharp. Going down would be flat. Okay? So flat is down, sharp is up for the accidentals. And what you would have, you also have groups of 3 followed by groups of 2 black notes. Those are the order of the way that the keys are arranged on the keyboard. You have a group of 3 black notes and a group of 2 black notes. 2 black notes, 3. 2 black notes, 3 black notes. And these will help you find, like I said, all the naturals are below it. All the naturals below it. So you'll find all of those natural notes beneath the accidentals, and that's how the keyboard is laid out. Alright, that is how the keyboard is laid out for all of you that want to know. So if you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A. Otherwise, I will see you in the next lecture.